In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and self-sign a document in DocuSign, providing a full guide for 2025. We'll walk through each step of the process so that you can confidently manage your digital documents. To begin, let's head over to the DocuSign website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Once you're logged in and on the home page, find the Start button. This button is usually prominent and often highlighted on the page, making it easy to spot. Clicking it will begin the process of preparing your document for signing. Next, you'll see an option to upload. Click on this to upload the document you wish to sign. Your computer's File Explorer will open, allowing you to navigate through your files. Locate the document you want to work with and select it. After selecting your document, it will be uploaded to DocuSign's platform, ready for the next steps. Now that your document is uploaded, look for the desktop option. This is essentially a menu from which you can select your files. Once again, navigate to the desired document on your computer and select it. Confirm your selection to ensure the right document has been uploaded. Moving forward, the next step is crucial if you're the only one signing the document. Locate and click on the option that says, I'm the only signer. This tells DocuSign that no additional signatures are necessary and will streamline the process for you. The platform will now know to prepare the necessary tools for just your signature. With that set, it's time to sign the document. Click on Sign to initiate the signing process. DocuSign will provide you with several signature options. Feel free to choose one that fits your style or is legally required for your purposes. After selecting your signature, you'll need to drag it to the appropriate place on your document. Locate where your signature is required and simply drag and drop it there. This intuitive feature allows you to place your signature in any required spot easily. Make sure it's positioned correctly before proceeding to the next step. With your signature neatly in place, there's just one more step to finalize everything. Look for the Finish button. Clicking this will complete the signing process, sealing your document with your digital signature. Once this is done, your signed document will be saved and accessible through your DocuSign account. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to upload and self-sign your documents through DocuSign. Whether you're closing a deal, signing an agreement, or simply managing paperwork, following these steps will ensure your documents are signed, sealed, and delivered electronically, bringing you efficiency and peace of mind in 2025. Thanks for watching, and happy signing.